Do you know about the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have outdoor sitting area here. The size of this area is 4 feet wide in meter 1.21 meter wide. And on the left side we have sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So in the front we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and TV unit. And after that we'll go inside. So we have kitchen area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go on the right side of the house, so we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also we have study table with chair and large glass panel for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And if we go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. Also we have wash basin here and water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.